Hey DIYers, what's going on? Whiteboarders with the Whiteboarders channel. Hey, thanks for watching. We're talking Mercruiser outdrives. We have an Alpha 1 Gen 1 specifically. We're going to show you how to replace your water pickup inserts. Very friendly DIY project. Let's get started.
All right, DIYers at the workstation now, and again, we're going to show you the steps on replacing your water pickup inserts. You got two of them on each side of your lower unit. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver, and this is a very friendly project. As you can see, you've got the screw that goes all the way through the lower unit and connects to the opposite side nut to secure the other insert. And DIYers, we have been busy. We just did a full lower unit rebuild. And in the event that you want any guidance on that, definitely check out the link scrolling above. It'll take you to the very first step, or part one of our full rebuild. However, from here, we'll reposition the camera and get started. Again, just a standard Phillips screwdriver, and I'm going to unscrew counterclockwise the screw. And as you can see, they become loose. I'm holding the rear insert and nut in place. And let me give you a view of that. To the opposite side, there's the nut, and I am continuing to unscrew that long screw that goes through the case, and I'm just applying some pressure to the nut because once the screw is loose, that entire nut will basically fall out just like that. From here, I'll come to the opposite side with the screwdriver and just apply some pressure to the screw to pull the screw out from the other side. And once I pull that out, I can carefully pull the inserts right out. Check that out. It's got a little hook on the top that feeds up and loops into the back side of the case. To the opposite side, what I'll do is grab the screw, and chances are the insert will come out with it, as you see here. And there it is. Let's go get the new parts. In front of us now are the new parts, starting with the nut. There's the part number. And then I've got two inserts. I'll do my best to post links down below in the comment section as well as description section. And here is the part number for that long screw. Let's go and open everything. New parts are on package. I want to show you the difference between the inserts. One has basically a nut mold to it, as you see here. That's going to go on the left side, obviously. And this one does not have that nut mold. It's perfectly round. And that is for the screw. That'll go on this side. And here are the old parts put back together. Basically trash. All I'm doing now is vacuuming real quick. Next, grab your new part. Again, the perfect circle mold. It's got this top hook. Shift that in place and push in from here. Put the screw through to the opposite side, and this is the nut mold. And again, that upper hook. And from here, I'll basically push them in and align that screw and push it all the way through the insert. There we go. As you can see here, you can kind of see the screw coming through. Grab your brand new nut and align it properly in the nut mold as you see there. And I'm going to apply pressure with my thumb and go to the opposite side and apply pressure with the screwdriver. And without cross-threading the screw into the nut, go ahead and tighten the two together. And on the inner thread of the nut is some thread locker, which is nice. Back to the opposite side, and I'm just tightening the screw. Don't over-tighten it. You want it snug, but do not over-tighten it. Now to a close-up of the finished product. As you can see, again, the water pickup inserts, DIYers, as you see, that just took a few minutes. Very friendly project. To the opposite side, the base or bottom portion of the screw made contact with the inner thread locker of the nut, and it is secured. Hopefully this helps. Do us a favor, below the video, you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We'd really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching. We've been busy, but we've been having fun.